Mind mapping is a powerful tool that fosters creativity and enhances motivation by visually organizing thoughts, ideas, and information. It is particularly effective because it mimics the brain's natural way of thinking, making connections and associations between concepts. Benefits of mind mapping for creativity. Mind mapping stimulates creativity by allowing for the free flow of ideas without the constraints of linear thinking. The non-linear structure of a mind map encourages creative thinking, where ideas can be added in any order and linked in various ways. This flexibility helps to uncover connections between seemingly unrelated concepts, sparking new ideas and innovative solutions. By visually mapping out thoughts, one can see the big picture, which often leads to more holistic and creative problem-solving. Benefits of mind mapping for motivation. Mind mapping also boosts motivation by breaking down complex tasks into manageable parts. It allows individuals to see progress as they work through each branch of the map, which can be highly motivating. The visual nature of mind maps makes goals and plans more tangible, providing a clear path forward and a sense of accomplishment as each part of the map is completed. Additionally, the act of creating a mind map itself can be engaging and satisfying, further fueling motivation to continue with the task at hand. Simple mind mapping exercises. 1. Initial mind mapping session. Start with a central idea or problem. Draw a circle in the center of a page, write the central idea inside, and then branch out with any related thoughts or concepts. Let your mind wander and add as many branches as possible, no matter how wild they seem. 2. Goal setting. Write a specific goal in the center of your map. Create branches that detail the steps needed to achieve this goal, including resources, timelines, and potential obstacles. This helps in visualizing the journey and staying motivated. 3. Daily planning. Each morning, create a mind map of your day. Place the date in the center and branch out with tasks, meetings, and priorities. This exercise helps organize your thoughts and increases productivity. Through these exercises, mind mapping can significantly enhance creativity and motivation, making tasks more manageable and ideas more accessible. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.